Hi, welcome back. The next adjustment that we have in line is bad debts. Bad debts, as the name suggests, it's the amount that the firm has not been able to realize from its debtors. Okay, the entry is pretty obvious that bad debts are expenses, hence they should be debited as they are nominal account, and debtors values is decreased, hence they should be credited as they were debited when they were created. Let's see one entry right now, that is where the sundry debtors of Trump are reported rupees 15,500 and it has 4,500 bad debts. Let's see if we can make one entry like this which we have. So who are our debtors? Who all are our debtors? Sales book. Okay, so we have given goods on credit to Mars, Star Trek, Time D, Space Shuttles. Now let's assume that Star Trek has decided went bankrupt. Okay, bankrupted. What do you say? Let's create another sheet right here, that is right here bad debts, and say Star Trek. Okay, wait a sec. Voila, magic. Okay, so what was our entry? That is we have bankrupted sales book. We have bankrupted which one? Okay, time D. Time D is now bankrupted and it has decided, and the news came to us, and there was a deal on 31/3/20 that, okay, let's decide that it is bankrupted on 2nd of March only, as soon as it purchased our goods. Bankrupted, so it means that our goods are so expensive that TimeD purchased them and went bankrupt. Okay, TimeD, raise your standards. Bankrupted, TimeD will not pay 5%. I don't know what's his amount. Let's go to Tally and check out his ledger. DAL, TimeD. Oops, too much. TimeD, please go, don't get bankrupt. Okay, there is a previous amount due also, hence let's not do 5% because it will affect our profits. Will not pay 10,000. Okay, okay, this one is enough. Bankrupted TimeD will not pay 10,000. Okay, particulars is, as there is no payment, nothing else. This is a journal entry. This is a journal voucher, not entry. Okay, every entry is a journal entry only that we are making. Come to this format right here, and yeah, what's the entry? That is bad debts account, debit to sundry debtors, and the debtors name is, that is the party name, that is time D. Okay, accepted. Now let's make this entry in the tally right here, that is go to V, F7, change the date first, 02/03/20, and now go to buy bad debts. Do we have that account? Nope, luckily. it is good sign to not have a bad debts account in our company. But now we do have one bad debt account, that is TimeD is bad debted by 10,000 rupees. Okay, let's see what is it asking us right here. 10,000 against reference, or so you can see that there were various bills of TimeD. I'll show you right here. That is, go to sales book, the one, this one right here, that is the $5,77,000, 5,77,000 bill rupees, and this one right here, that is the opening balance of 3,50,000. So it is asking us that against which bill is does he doesn't want to pay. You can choose your own bill, that is, or you can just choose on account, hence the whole account will be reduced. Or let's choose a bill against reference. Against reference, oh, we don't have a reference, hence we have to choose on account. Oops, all went in vain. Bad debts account 10,000 to TimeD. Okay, 10,000. Yeah, against reference, yes, nope. Hence we'll choose on account, that is, it will reduce the opening balance only. TimeD bad debts accepted. Okay, now this is done. Okay, bad debts account debtors, where it will be shown in the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, let's check it out. Profit and loss account, it will be shown in indirect expenses, hopefully. Where are you, bad debts? Yeah, right here. Okay, and in the balance sheet, the current assets of debtors will be reduced by bad debts, that is TimeD is reduced by 10,000. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next lecture where we'll learn about creating the provisions for bad debts.